Good morning, folks. It's about almost 6:30 in the morning on Thursday, July the 7th. Yeah, July 7th. It's a beautiful morning, about 78 degrees. We're on Lake Harding this morning with my grandson, Lamar. We're going to try to catch a few topwater bass this morning. Y'all come on along, hope we catch some fish. What one just rolled up there? Catch that.
I don't know that was a bank that's looking. We're going to throw it in.
Always got to throw it anything rolling.
Looks like a car.
Really? They ain't started generating yet.
Well, if they start at West Point, it'll take it an hour to get down here.
Oh, really?
See it.
Huh.
Before that water starts moving.
Oh.
That's a good size one right there.
Have there.
Yeah.
3/4, close to 2. Maybe we can get a little something started.
Got him?
Yeah, something. I don't know what it is. That's not bad. Little bitty one. But he's a fish.
He's a fish. That's what I said. He's a fish. Half pounder.
Maybe. All right.
catch him on a popper?
I did. 2 fish, both of them on the popper. I hear a frog back there anyway.
Yeah, I do too. You boys have been catching them on these big old black buzz baits down there, don't you?
Yeah, they get down there in that black water. They catch them on them black frogs down there too.
Yep. Your head done hung up under a rock probably.
I think there's a bunch of skunks and stuff out here too.
He ain't no giant, but he's a fish. Ain't no giant, but he's a fish. Bass on a shaky head, first time. Get this on camera for sure, 'cause I ain't never caught a fish on a shaky head. Little fella, go back to sleep. There you go, Chris. That was fun though. At least I felt him. Throwing out deep water now.
Yeah, you can just kind of throw straight out there. It'll be anywhere between 14 and about 18 foot, I think.
Whenever you get ready, we ready. Huh? Looks a little better fish, ain't it?
Nah. A little bit. That mare's got a messed up mouth.
Has it?
Sure does.
Got him out a little deeper water, didn't you?
There's a, yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, that's a little prettier fish there.
He's gonna bleed all over the place too.
Yeah.
I believe we're gonna get him unhooked. Get him back in before he bleeds. Yeah, maybe we'll catch him again later.
He ain't no giant, but he's a fish. He hit it hard. He said, "Give me that." There he is, Chris. We're gonna let him go back and grow up.
That mare wouldn't even make a sandwich.
Nope.
He would make a good sandwich though.
I got us out here in a little bit rockier stuff. They ought to be right in there.
All right, folks, welcome to Absolutely Outdoors. If y'all been following our show, we've been fishing Eufaula, we've been fishing Harding, and we hadn't caught very many fish. But we're in a little private lake today down in Russell County with my buddy Mason Irvin. And of course, Ricky Upshaw's always around when you're fishing. So we're gonna try to catch some brim and some bass today and just have a good time, and hopefully the rain won't get on us. It's been a kind of tough year for catching bass on the big water, so we're gonna try it in a smaller lake today. So wish us luck, let's go fishing. I'm gonna fish wacky worm start with.
Well, late this evening, what we'll do, we'll try to catch a beat 'em on the night. Yeah, you threw it right over here.
Huh?
You threw over here?
You done caught him?
No, I was wondering where it hit the water.
Yeah, I threw out this side.
You're right, you have to move. Chase the tank, that's what you're gonna put
I figured they'd hit this old trick worm around this shallow water side over here.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna get one in a minute.
See, I got a giant over here.
Yeah. You brought in the rain.
I did. Who said it wasn't gonna rain? Who said it wasn't gonna rain? It'll be gone the minute the sun will be out.
It feels good though.
Y'all not catching nothing? Yeah, look here. What do you think? Trick worm. Wacky worm. I'm gonna throw this one in the cooler. I'm gonna throw him in the bottom of the boat. What I'm gonna do.
He ain't going nowhere no regardless either way. Yeah, he's a good one.
Big enough
Mm-hmm.
to stink up a skillet. very big, but he's a fish. He ain't very big, but he's a fish.
To me, any fish is a tasty fish.
A fish is a fish. All right, let's see if we can get him in the cooler.
Right ahead, buddy. He'll do just fine. Hey, he's jumping around.
That old wacky worm got him. That's 3. I ain't heard Ricky and them screaming and hollering about catching one, have you?
I haven't heard anything either. And I thought he's supposed to be the avid fisherman.
Well, the lake is beautiful now. We just had a real good thunderstorm, lasted about 35 or 40 minutes. So me and Chris run up there and got in the truck. Ricky and Mason went over there. One of the houses up here has got a boat dock. They went up there and got under the shed on the boat dock. And I don't know if they ever quit fishing, but we did. We went and sat in the truck, worked a couple of word games, and now we're back on the water. Of course, it's just the perfect time of the day to fish. Maybe we'll catch a few more fish. Y'all stay tuned with us. How many of y'all got?
1 or 2 people, that's it.
About the same over here.
Y'all caught any? Y'all caught any brim?
We got one nice one, yeah.
I'm fixing to throw out a brim rod.
Over there, where that dock is, or that floating pontoon, right on this side of it, where he said they were.
Really?
Yeah, on the west side, corner west there.
Well, I just drowned the worm. But I guess a worm can live in dirt that's wet, so he ought to be all right.
Y'all didn't get wet, did you?
No, we got in the truck.
I'm saying you got the water before time.
Yeah, we did. We were about 20 minutes. That's when they started coming. 15 minutes it started coming down.
I said, surely them guys are gonna come get in the truck. And y'all never did come. I kept calling Mason, he didn't answer, so I figured y'all was doing something you was happy. Well, did you get wet?
No, we was in that shed there.
That's what I thought. See, he said they're in front of the pontoon boat.
Yeah, the west side.
I done drowned these worms. I done drowned the worm.
They'll be fine.
Those folks live down here?
Yeah.
Well, they got a pretty place to live.
Just a little after 7. Yeah. No.
We'll come right down beside that log right there. What do you think? Trick worm. Wacky worm. Watch out, Chris. I'll smack you in the face with it.
That was perfect. Got it right on camera too. He's a feisty one.
Broke my line. Do what?
They were fishing there about 45 minutes.
Man, he swallowed it all the way down to his goose.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have to have that tackle box again, Chris.
Yeah, that's not a problem, buddy.
Flip that side for me over there, please. That's good. All I gotta have right here.
You want to fight?
Yeah, he don't give up. Let's go find me old. Bet you don't find us again. I got you now. All right, y'all want to see this one? Watch out, this is a fish here.
That's the wacky worm, Ted?
Nah, this is a weighted worm. I threw it in there on the bottom.
Okay.
He just got off.
Oh.
Yeah, he was on there too.
That was a fish too.
Mm-hmm.
That was a real fish. I was fixing to give him a little. Yes, he was a nice. Should have had my stiffer rod, but I left it on the bank over there. Yeah, that was a good fish right there. And he got it time it fell on the bottom.
Went to the bottom, huh?
Yep.
Might be our problem. We ain't went to the bottom.
I missed a good one over on the other side, same way a while ago. Didn't set the hook on him good. Yeah, that was a good fish there. Little fella, come here. Come here, little boy. Little girl, whatever you are. Well, it's a good thing I left my pliers out. Because I'm going to have him to go get that, and it's way down in his throat. Down in his gill plate. I hate it, big boy, but there ain't nothing I can do but just do the best I can. One out there by that tree. And he done got wrapped up in that thing too. Wow. Fixing to get a handful of treble hooks if I ain't careful.
Got no bragging rights today, Chris.
Hey, buddy, that rain threw us all off. You would think between the four of us we would know how to read a radar, but apparently we don't.
If you hit one of them stumps full speed, it'd mess up something.
You must have felt it. You know you can raise that motor, Ted.
I know it. I had it up, but I put it back down. It runs a lot better.
I got you. You the captain on that shit. You be quiet.
Hey, look at that sky. Isn't it pretty this afternoon? We may not have caught a whole slew of fish, but we've had a beautiful afternoon after the rain. It's just been perfect. Fog rolling up off the water. Caught a few bass. Weather feels great right now. I could sit out here all night, as Willie said on this. Folks, we had a fun afternoon. It come a real good rain on us. Thunderstorm, we had to get out of the lake. Went back, we caught a few more fish, but it's been a perfect afternoon to fish. It's not hot. It's just been a great afternoon, and hopefully right away the big fish are gonna start biting. I lost one today I'd have really loved to got, but that's part of fishing, so we'll try it again later. God bless y'all. Have a great week. We'll see you later.